Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another small business haul. This is from the Nail Matrix. This is their February collection. I'm sorry, it's the February mini series. So yeah, this is the package. Of course, she always puts a little note on the package. And let's just get right into this because this video is long overdue. So first we get some purple iridescent, what do we call these? Bar glitters or tinsel glitters. So yeah, that's the first item in the package. Now, when you place your order for the mini series, you order the mini series. These other small things that I'm showing you are just extras that she adds to orders. And this is the card, the Nail Matrix. There you have the social media, and on the back you have another little thank you note. And of course, she welcomes you to the Glam Gang. Anyways, let's get the rest of the items out. So let me get the powders out, and then I'm gonna open all the powders, show you what they look like, and we're gonna swatch. Now, along with the mini series, I did order two other powders. I ordered the clear and another glitter color, but you'll see shortly. All right, so of course, as usual, we get our Glam Gang sticker. We also get a file, a 180 grit file. And she threw in some rhinestones. We have these pretty, are these champagne gold? And then we have some red, of course, I'm all for the red. Now let's take a look at the powders. So I'm gonna show you the mini series first, and then I'm gonna show you the two other powders that I ordered. I'm gonna swatch all of them. So here we have Pour Some Sugar on Me. We have Big Sexy. We have Moody Bitch and Corvette. Now let's get these open so we can see what they look like. So this is Pour Some Sugar on Me. And look at that, guys. Y'all know I love my glitter, but when it's red glitter, it hits different. Next we have Big Sexy. Look at that. I'm loving the gold shimmer in this one. And then we have Moody Bitch. And this one, I found out after I recorded the video that this one is actually a mood changer. Next we have Corvette. And I'm sure y'all already know this is my favorite. So those are the powders that come in the February mini series. Now this is still available on her website. Along with the January mini series, she also has a March mini series, which is greens, and then the April mini series is yellows. So definitely go ahead and check out her website. I'll have the website linked in the description box along with her social media. So this is the Matrix Clear, and this is a 2-ounce jar of the clear powder. And then we have the other powder, the other 2-ounce powder that I ordered, which is called Shapeshifter. And I love how all of her jars have the inner seal or the travel seal. I really like that. Helps to keep your powders contained so you get less spillage, and I hate spillage. I hate wasting my acrylics. Anyways, let us get into swatching. I'm gonna swatch the clear first, and then I'm gonna go from lightest to darkest with colored powders and the glitters. And guys, I really do like the way these powders work. It's very easy to manipulate. I didn't have any issues with anything curing up before I was able to get it where I wanted it. It gives you time to work with it, and it's not, I didn't have the issue where you pick up a bead and then it just becomes runny and drippy. Nope, nothing like that. Very nice to work with. So that is the clear, and once it dries, we're gonna apply some top coat and take a look at it to see exactly how clear it is. Of course, it's cloudy now because it's wet, but let's wait for it to dry and then we'll take another look. We are gonna do Moody Bitch next. And this is the one that's a mood changer. I'm so sorry I didn't realize it was a mood changer when I recorded the video. I need to pay more attention when I'm purchasing these series. I just see the colors and fall in love with the colors and decide I have to have them. But I promise I'll pay more attention in future so I can show you whatever effect the powders may have. Because sometimes some glow in the dark, and like this one, they sometimes change color. So that is Moody Bitch, a very nice pale pink. I'm really loving that one. Next up, pour some sugar on me. Pour some sugar on me. I had to. Look at that, guys. I love glitter, but red glitter is So speaking of glitter while I'm swatching, speaking of glitter, guys, so here was I thinking I got all the glitters I had sitting around in bags, all packed away neatly in bottles and jars and stuff like that, and I was about to, give you guys a tiny tour of stuff and whatever it is. I will, don't worry, it's coming. I will nonetheless. So look at, pour my sugar on you guys. Look at that red. Yes. This reminds me of, what's her name? Dorothy's ruby slippers. That's what that reminds me of. Next up, we're gonna do Corvette. Yes, this red is stunning, guys. Yeah, as I was saying about the glitter. Here I was saying I had all my glitter sorted and I could get this thing underway, only to look to my right in my cart and see a shit ton of Lyrissy glitter packets that I have not yet touched. So just when I think I've done sorting my glitters, here comes Lyrissy. Well, that's just incentive for me to do some more glitter potting videos for you guys, because when I tell you these flakies from Lyrissy are the bomb, they're the bomb. Y'all are gonna enjoy that. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, Corvette, look at that red, guys. I love all the shades of red. All shades of red. but the deeper, the richer, the more blood red the red is, the more I love it. Next, we have Big Sexy. Now this one is a beautiful red as well, guys, with gold shimmer. Let's get this one swatched so I can show you what I mean. I'm sure some of you have seen these acrylics swatched before by others. Some of my nail sisters have swatched them as well, so you can definitely go and check them out. The Nail Genie SC, I know, got this collection and she did do a swatch video. And I think also Nene's Nail Nook also swatched these acrylics, so you can definitely go ahead and check their videos out as well. But look at the reds. It's the reds for me, guys. It's the reds for me. It's the only reason why I like anything to do with Valentine's Day or whatever. The reds come out to play. Look at that. It's a pretty lipstick red. Now let's see if we can see that. Can you guys see the gold shimmer? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now those are the mini series colors, guys. Now let us swatch this shapeshifter that I ordered. I went on there to get the February mini series, and somehow I ended up scrolling through other powders that she has on the website, and I landed on shapeshifter, and I had to have it. I had to have it. Let me go ahead and swatch it so I can show you what I mean. Guys, doesn't that kind of bring Midnight Sky to mind, or Deep Midnight? You know, that time of night when it's the darkest and the stars are just their sparklest or sparkliest. I don't know, is that even a word? We're gonna make it a word today, but you guys get what I mean. Absolutely stunning. I love these flowers. Yes, I am taking a moment to thoroughly clean the brush because it's a black, but look at that, you guys. Can you guys see the blue sparkles in there? I'm loving that. I don't have a black like that, so I definitely had to have Shapeshifter. So that is the last of the powders. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let's take a look at the clear once more. So that is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some top coat to this so that we can see how clear the clear really is. That's pretty clear. Can we say glass? I like it. I'm definitely glad I got this. So that was the clear. Now let's take a look at the others once more. And while I'm showing these two, I do want to take the time because I usually end up having to rush at the end of the video. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, liking and commenting. It means a lot. And for those of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm glad that you guys enjoy my content enough to do so. And if you're new, if this is the first time you're seeing a video of mine, and you're enjoying, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. I try to make sure I upload videos each week, but I do have a 1-year-old and I do everything based on her schedule, so sometimes it's not possible, but I try to ensure that I make up for it the following week if I'm not able to post 1 week. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the Nail Matrix. I'll definitely link her website as well as her social media in the description box for you guys. These powders are still available on her website, along with a ton of other awesome powders and products. Her monomer is amazing. Definitely check her out, you guys. And again, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you all. Y'all are amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the description box what you guys think of these powders. And as I usually ask, if you have any suggestions for a specific type of video you'd like to see me do, just go ahead and drop it in the description box. I'm always open to suggestions. So here we have them, guys. Oh, let's also include the rhinestones that we got. These are freebies, the file, as well as the tinsel glitter. And of course, where's our Glam Gang sticker? Yeah, that's not it. There we go. So this is everything that I received in the package. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.